ate my lunch around 4 p.m. today because I had a long day and I was feeling so sad and I was down. So around 3 p.m. I went to the market. I got rice, I got sweet potatoes, I got tomatoes, and I got beans, brown beans. Then I have to wash that beans. After washing the beans, I parboiled it, and after parboiling it, I washed it out. Guys, this particular beans, I'm going to devote my time to cook it very well because these beans don't dey hungry me since I come this Lagos. And guys, this beans is actually cheap for me because I bought a painter of beans for 5,000 naira. It's actually cheap for me.
What did I just watch? I mean, did I see how washing her hands into that food? I don't know what to say. It didn't stop there. Why is she using her sink as bowl? Like, is that? I'm confused. I'm confused, honestly. That's what they do for here. You put wash your things inside the sink you use in washing dirty dishes. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think this is absolutely not hygienic. This is absolutely a no for me. But see, let me know your thoughts in the comments because she's not the first person I'm seeing doing. Like, there are things I can wash in my sink, things like plantains. I can wash my plantain because normally I will wash my plantain before peeling it. I can wash my plantain in the sink, but I can't even wash my yam, my peeled yam in the sink. Talk more of washing my beans. Anyways, who am I to judge?
Then after washing it, I have to put it back to the pot. Then after putting it back to the pot, I have to start cooking it again so that it will boil. But as it's cooking, I decided to come and wash my tomatoes. As you can see, I'm washing my tomatoes. I actually bought enough tomato, but I want to use this small portion for the beans. Then I can use the other one for another thing. Then at this point, I'm cutting my tomatoes. There's no light now. I would have used my blender, but there's no light, so I have to cut it. Then these tomatoes I bought 2,000 naira. That tomato that you saw before is 2,000 naira. I bought everything. At this point, I have to come and add my sweet potatoes because the potato is greenish, so I just feel like the potato will be hard. So I allowed the beans to boil. At this point, I think these beans have done. You can see the beans don't break. At this point, I think the beans have boiled well. Then I now placed a new pot. I added red oil. I saw some people saying, is it red oil that you are using to cook? I don't have groundnut oil, so I don't have to steal. Okay, so I now added my onions, I added my salt, and I now added my tomato. Then the tomato was a bit watery, so I closed it to dry for the water to dry small. So at this point, the water have dried small, and then I added my pepper. After adding my pepper, I now leave it for some time. Then when you can see that the thing is very beautiful and is yummy and is boiling. Then I decided to come and put my maggi. After putting my maggi, I have to wash out all the maggi that's in my hand. Before you complain, please, this food is my food. You are not eating it, please. Then now come and start telling me why you washing your hand inside the pot. Is it your food? Is it your pot? It's me that is eating the food. So if I like, I'll wash my hands inside. No, I know they stress my life. Person go just put maggi finish, make you just wash maggi come off for hand, and I go start to complain. So I don't fry the tomatoes finish. I can't carry that beans put back for fire. I can't put the tomato while I fry. Then at this point now, I don't find that more water too many for this thing. I can't open up, can't boil am for some minutes, and at this point now, I say the water don't reduce more, and hunger don't they catch me. This is like 4 p.m. in the evening, so I decided to cut small. But guys, it came out very nice, very sweet, and I enjoyed it with bread.